Well, here, I'm taking a video. What do you have to say? How old are you today?
4.
And what are you wearing on your head?
A crown. It has rainbows on it.
It does. Do you have anything to say about being 4? How does it feel?
Great.
Yeah. What are you going to do now that you're 4?
Play with these from Mommy and Dad.
Oh. They look pretty fancy.
They're old. They're wood, made out of wood, so they're not fancy. Hey, Mommy, you can even turn these around and round and round.
Wyatt, you have a sister who's 4. What do you think? What do you have to say about that? Can you believe it?
What do you think, right?
Yay! Sadie's 4.